Hi everybody, this is Ms. Ornelas here. I'm just going to go over really quick covering how to publish your Google Slides or your students' Google Slides to the web in order to present a presentable kind of presentation of our students' work. We want to make sure that it looks really good on the website when students are able to see it and access it. So I'm going to show you guys really quick to start off what it looks like when we actually go ahead and publish our students' works to the web. So for example, I'm going to take this first student, their name is Indivani. When we publish their work to the web automatically, you can see that it's already in presentation mode. It gives the whole project a cleaner feel. As an audience, we do not see the buttons, we do not see the kind of Google format that we're used to. Instead, we just see the student's work, and as an audience member, you can still click it. It will still take you exactly to their work. I just had a different account. And we could still kind of just look at their work and experience their work as we go through it. When we do not publish it to the web, this is what these slides will look at once they are clicked live on the site. So you can see all the buttons that say copy of Gate Symposium, and it doesn't necessarily have the exact same look as a student project that is in presentation mode. So that's what we are trying to create. So let me show you how to actually create that presentation mode. So what you are going to do is once you have your students' work, I'm going to use this as an example. You're going to head to File. As a teacher, you have these rights because these projects are shared from you. They're created by you, so you should be able to. You are going to go down and you are going to select Publish to the Web. Once you select Publish to the Web, you will have a pop-up show up. Alright, I decided to pull up my example so that you guys could actually see what it looks like once we publish it and how to publish it. So when you have your students' examples, it will be open to you, it won't be grayed out. It will say publish to the web, you can select it. Then you will get this screen. So this screen is just how many seconds it would be. 3 seconds per each slide is the default. As an audience member, you can still click the students' interviews, you can still click their reflection, so those 3 seconds doesn't mean it'll change when the audience is listening to it. It'll make sure that it can listen to the full work before moving on to the next slide. And the audience will have control to be able to go back a slide or forward a slide if they would like as well. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it as well. If you want to restart the slideshow, that's an option as well, but we're going to focus on publishing it. You're going to get a little pop-up from Google Drive that says, are you sure you want to publish the selection? Just push OK. So what that does is that changes the link. So the share link, which is right here in this top right corner, was one link. It'll just show you the entire document as you are sharing it. The presentation link right here, specifically Control-C, is what would be sent to me and Mrs. Arroyo, or to Hazel. This is what would be sent to us. This is what we would then input so that all of your student slides appear as this instead of this on the website. So that's just how that is going to look. I'm going to go ahead and Control-C this template so you guys can see it. I put it into my Google search bar and bam. So now it has that same template. As an audience member, I can still click and it'll still play. I can go back and forth and listen to my interviews as necessary. So I just wanted you guys to see what that looks like. For us, that's just the difference from a student's project really being the basics and really elevating it. So it's not just a copy of Gate Symposium. No, we have these beautiful projects being beautifully displayed. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, reach out to Hazel, or any of us, and we will help you guys out. Other than that, thanks for listening.